So today we're going to be doing unboxing this new thing. And I already took off the plastic. And yes, I know I opened one by accident. Because I wasn't too excited. I just wanted, because I tried making a video and it cut off. And yeah, I didn't open one. And it was this cute bumblebee. He's adorable. I love him. And I never got a bumblebee before, so let's get right into the video. And yes, I tuned my mascot with this new one, and I got this one. Well, yeah, my last channel video. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, I guess these are the little deco bits. I'll leave that for at the end. Little deco bits. It feels like a tiny bear. I'm one of the bear. Like, it feels like a bear. It's sitting down like a bear I could see. And yeah, I guess. You're gonna freak out when you see this thing. It's adorable. Look at this fluffy bear. It looks like a bumble bear. These two mixed together will be awesome, like a bumble bear. And his little charm is a diamond. I like him. Moving on, we're gonna get this. It feels like a small one. I think it's a mini pet, I guess. I already got a mini pet. And it's a little, it was a little raccoon I got. OMG, I got this little kangaroo. It's super glittery and has a little bone on his head. Oh, it's so cute. It's so adorable. Like, I love it, you guys. Okay, one more. And I have this little monkey. He's super cute. I like him. And, okay. And now there's this thing. There's little... And I opened the rest and I got these little dices. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Bye, guys!